Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about how we can get values from two columns combined in a single column, and I am here going to take the value from one single column, and for this I am going to use the union in SQL as well as in MySQL. So you can see, suppose this is the example table, right, and this is the column name and alternate name, and I want both the name as well as alter name, and no name should be repeated. Okay, so to do that we can use like this query. So here you can see, as an example, this is the complete table data, and here I am going to take value from name as well as the alternate name. So what I will do, I need data like the name column. Okay, you can see the below column, okay, below single column. So for that we must need to know what are the columns available in the table right now. So you can see this is the table, complete table with the data, and here is the only two table, and here you can see this is the query I have already written. So you can see I am using union here. This is the main thing, union. Okay, union collects two column and combine both of them their data and arrange the data in a single row, and union also makes sure that no row or no value should be repeated, okay, in the column. So you can see this is the first query using the same table, you can see, and this is the second query from the same table. Okay, and now once I do union, then you can see here, you can see we got the expected result here. Okay, so we can match the data. You can see we are having total number of 7 rows, and here also we can see we are having 7 rows. So like this we can get the data from by after combining the two table in a single row. Okay, and so let's do the same thing in the MySQL. So here you can see, let me first select the complete data. So you can see in MySQL, suppose I want to combine email and mobile, right? I want to combine the unique email as well as the mobile number. Okay, so what I will do, I will select here email and mobile, and suppose this is the actual columns which I want to combine in a single column. So to do that, so you can see here I am selecting the mobile only, and here let me select the email only. Okay, and once I will run the complete, then it will give me only unique value. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.